Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from 5 and A class of Business Administration Polytechnic of Sriwijaya. So now we want to present about effective business writing. But first, let me introduce about our group. For the first member of group is Sacha Ariska. Next is Muhammad Loay, Muhammad Rahmat Sigit, Nasya Nasakinah, Siti Nedia Amirah, and Tiara Nahdiva. Okay, for the first is the definition of the effective business writing will be explained by Loay.
Definition of effective business writing. Business writing is a type of writing that used in professional setting. It is a purposeful piece of writing that conveys relevant information to the reader in a clear, concise, and effective manner. It includes client proposal, report, memos, emails. Business writing is very important in our life because in any professional or academic setting, you are always being evaluated on whether you can communicate effectively. Business writing is used in many different ways and occasions. There are three components that should be considered before start writing: audience, purpose, and clarity. It will help you to more organize and focus and when writing.
Okay, thank you, Loay. The next is the three components to consider before we start to write business writing. Okay, please.
Okay, first is audience. You should know about your audience. Are they from internal or external of your company or organizations? And you should ensure that you are okay with the audience, because it will help you make decision about words and sentence that you use in writing. You should think from the perspective of the readers too, so everything gonna be clear and concise. Next.
Okay, for the second is purpose. You should always consider about why you are writing. There are 3 points in consider your purpose: what information needs to be communicated, what important question needs to be answered, and what vocab and verbs can I use to get my point. If you already know about it, will make you focus on the writing and have a direction. Okay, next.
Third is clarity. You should check supporting detail in your writing. There are who, what, where, when, why, and how. When you check it and find a detail that you don't need that, you can remove it. You should using the only details that will be relevant to you. Okay, next.
Okay, next is the tips to have a good writing will be explained by Sacha Ariska.
Okay, thank you, Sigit. Tips to have a good writing. The first is avoid using adjective and adverbs. Second is use active voice and power verbs. The third is avoid generalities. And fourth, avoid using jargon. Okay, next. The conclusion is business writing is very important in our life because it used in many different ways and occasions. There are 3 components that should be considered before start writing. You should know about audience, your writing purpose, and the clarity. There are also some tips to have a good writing, like avoid using adjective and adverbs, use active voice and power verbs, avoid generalities, avoid using jargon. If you write based on what I said before, you will make a nice writing.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all about our presentation about effective business writing, and thank you for your attention. And we're sorry if there are a mistake from our presentation, and we are closing with wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.